Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on this laptop. So I will show you two ways to enter recovery mode on this device. So the first one is for the situation when you can access your operational system, and I will show you the quick way to restart your device into the recovery mode in such case. And the other way, the other situation is the opposite one. So in case you cannot access your Windows account, in case you cannot log into Windows and you want to perform a factory reset from recovery mode, or maybe do something else from recovery mode. But before we do that, I want to show you how to access your BitLocker recovery keys in case something happens in the recovery mode that will cause in locking your device with a BitLocker, and this will require a recovery key for you to be able to regain access to your device. Now, with that being said, let me switch to another PC on which I'm gonna show you how to access your recovery keys. So right here, open your web browser and look up aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Use this address to paste it into the address field. Enter this website, then log into your Microsoft account that is connected to your laptop. Enter your email or phone number, then press next. Then enter your password. And press next again. And then if it's required, you'll have to receive the code either on your email or maybe on your phone number, and then you'll have to enter this code on the following page. So just click send a code if you see a message like this, and then check your code and enter it into this field. And after you enter the code, you'll see the page with the BitLocker keys in it. So on this page you will see the table with the list of recovery keys for your device. So the first column is the device name, which will tell you which device carries this recovery key that you need. So if you know your device name, you can check your device by its name, and then just write down the recovery key that matches your device name. But if you don't know it, you might know the key upload date, which is equal to the date when you set up your Windows account on your laptop. And the other this very important column is key ID, which you don't really know until the BitLocker locks your PC. So in case BitLocker locks our Lenovo, you'll have to check the key ID that you see on your screen and see the recovery key that matches your key ID. Okay, now you know how to access your recovery keys. So and just when you find the recovery key that you need, just write it down. So in case BitLocker locks your PC, you'll be able to write it. You'll be able to type it into the field on your PC, into the text field in your PC, in order to unlock your PC and regain access to it. Okay, so now let me switch to the laptop, and right now let me show you the first method using which we can open the recovery mode. So what you have to do is open the start menu, then go to power options, then press and hold down the right shift button, and holding it, click restart. Then just wait for a while, wait until the device reboots, hold the shift button in the meanwhile, and release it only when you see the please wait sign below your Lenovo logo. We will see it in a short while. Okay, and now you can see this please wait. That means that in a while the recovery mode will appear on the screen, and you can navigate here using your touchpad or using arrow keys and enter to confirm. Then we can go to troubleshoot, advanced options, and see all the options for ourselves. If you want to exit the recovery mode, you can press escape several times. I'm sorry, that's misinformation. Okay, let's go back, and then turn off the PC. And when I'll turn off the PC, I will immediately show you the next method in case you cannot access your device. So once the PC is turned off, all we have to do to enter the recovery mode is turn on the PC by pressing the power button once, and then turn it off while the PC is launching. So to do that, just press power button once, and when you see the logo, start holding the power button until your device shuts down. So right now, hold down the power key. Okay, the device turned off. Now let's turn it on again. And let's wait for the logo to appear. Okay, nothing happens. Let's turn it off again. Hold down the power key. Okay, and I think something should happen now at this point. So let's turn on the PC. Okay, and preparing automatic repair means that our device is booting up into recovery mode. So just wait for it to do this, and you will see, well, we had to access the recovery mode, but as you can see, the BitLocker locked this laptop. So right now what we have to do is find the key ID, which equals to this one, and find the recovery key that matches this key ID. So let me do this real quick. Okay, and once you enter the full recovery key, what you have to do is press continue. Okay, and let's wait and see what happens. But basically we just unlocked our PC, and it's no longer being locked by BitLocker. Okay, and so let me proceed by showing you the second method to enter the recovery mode. So once you see this window, this screen, click advanced options, and just like before, we entered the recovery mode. So basically that's it for this video. I will press continue to return to the Windows, but that's basically how you enter recovery mode on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.